we are back again. Welcome back to our live stream. We are going to do a quick market update here with Israel. Uh, let's start with BTC dominance today. As you see, we have a friend here. He is doing a peekaboo. It's has a double top, nice ears here. Sometimes we call this as a Batman as well because of the ears. So this is a bearish momentum, bearish structure, lost 8 EMA, and most likely we're gonna tag here 20 EMA mid Bollinger Band, and it's going to be really bullish for altcoins. Let's zoom out. As you see, this was our zone, exactly as we predicted. It came to this trend line, tagged it, came back, another uh, curvy top here with a spinning top, and now we are going down to 20 EMA. So this is bullish for momentum for altcoins. Most likely it can do these type of little moves up and down, but it's gonna tag 20 EMA since we lost it. And if we lose this one, we're gonna go for hopefully to 200 EMA and or lower Bollinger Band. Let's check a USDT dominance. Same thing. We were talking about this as a dark cloud, as you see here. This was our zone. Nice bearish momentum again with the candle patterns. This is also a type of a double top with a kind of shooting star, big bearish candle coming down, and hopefully we're gonna lose this 200 EMA again, and we're gonna go for 387% level. Let's check for the altcoins, the Queen ETH BTC chart. On the 4-hour, we are trying to do a W pattern here. We need to get back above these levels here. Let's on live show, let's do a zone altogether. As you see here on the daily, we have choppy momentum here. We are making a lower low actually, but still it's kind of a diamond shape. If you want to look for bullish momentum, you're gonna find one, like if you really want Ethereum to go up in these choppy environments, you'll look for something for to make yourself happy. But for now, still not too bullish against BTC. But there's one thing happening on with BTC. It's been 2 years. 2 years. We haven't seen. There's an actual. Let me show you. I need to show you this. Let me share screen and then show you on X. It's been a while since this account, Ethereum account, has not posted anything. Again, Cointelegraph also talked about it. Ethereum org. Can you see my screen? I think you cannot see the screens. Let me check one more time. Now we can see. Perfect. So this is Ethereum org. And it's just like official organization made a comeback after 2 years with a tweet. Hello world computer. Last time they had 1.5 million views on this, and it's on the 13th of 2025. Just like, see, this is very bullish also. This may be the momentum coming in. As you see on the Ethereum high time frame, we shared this just an hour ago. Let's have a look at it. Big cup and handle. Also, We on the weekly we are making a hammer candle here with a big wick. It just tagged 50 EMA. This blue line is the 50 EMA. As you see, this is a cup handle, and also this one is an inverse head and shoulders forming. This is a target actually. Look what happens if we break this neckline. So maybe something is brewing here. It's hot coffee. Be careful. So yeah, we are very bullish on Ethereum. And when you think about risk and return uh, on altcoins, think about it. Which one is less risky right now? Let's think. If you think about it, Ethereum did not do much of a move, and downside is not that much actually. It just swept 2800. Where else it can go? It's just like swept this level, and it's back above 50 MA. So this one, if you think about Bitcoin is around 96, and it did its move actually from all the 50K. It's already from the last all-time high, almost like far away, like 50% away from previous all-time highs, previous bull runs all-time highs. So that's why if you think about risk and return, if you are a very, very conservative investor, keep an eye on Ethereum. This may be, it's again not a financial advice. We are just doing statistically, this is an educational reminder for you. Again, we see a nice big cup and handle. This is also a continuation pattern, tagged 50 EMA. So overall, Ethereum, we are bullish for this cycle as a wealth room. Let's go back to our charts very quick. And on the daily, we tagged 200 EMA. So this is our 200 EMA, very nice momentum. Now if we can close back above actually on this horizontal line, even if you don't close, if you close like this is also a bullish momentum, because we are getting a rejection from the lower Bollinger Band. For a better view, actually, let's do an upside down invert scale. I sometimes like to do this because to have a different type of view is always good. Gives you a different view. As you see, what do you see here? Really, really harsh rejections on 200 EMA. What happens when you see this type of rejection? You start melting down this way. Get this liquidation here. If you're a bear, think about it that way. If you are bearish on an equity or something, and you look at the charts, you see this. Ooh, just got a harsh rejection here. I should need to get out of this. If you do like Arnold, get out of this equity. So we have to get out. So this is another perspective. Let's double check if we have also bullish divergence. If you think about this way, it's too much of a move downside as the price goes down, but this one is escalating, ascending up. So this is a bullish divergence. I would look at that way. Another one for on the daily, most of the coins are the same way. Solana tagged 200 EMA. This is also bullish. Just got a back above on this blue line, or back deviated back up. We just need to get back above 80 MA. Look, it's getting a little bit of a rejection on the 80 MA. So this is actually good EMA that looks like, because it just got rejected. So it's respecting it. If we can get back above this, we'll go try to tag here uh, the upper line of the channel, and then break above. We'll have all this liquidity. Sui has a little bit of a losing a momentum. So for this type of momentum we do not like, because this can curve down a little bit. Let's see if we're gonna do another chop here and lose, chop here and lose, and this is going to eventually try to do this way. But if we can get back above these levels, it's gonna be safer. Like, we need to take this high, so we need to take that high in order to be safe for the SUI. So and it has right now, according to for today, when you look at all the coins across the board, we have a relative weakness, so we need to be careful on this one. Check for our is also almost losing. We don't want to lose this 200. Look how it's just having a support. There's one good news about this though. This one had a daily, when you think about the daily, had a better day close yesterday. The other ones were still in the negative. This one closed in a positive way, so it's taking the half of this wick. So you're going for the liquidity. They generally come and take the half of the wick. We can create a wick now by the today. I think now we are losing it. We have only 2 minutes left for the close. So this one, May the 2nd day to today, can come a little bit lower and create a wick and then keep going up. This is a bullish candle actually. So it's the doji candle, but it's in the green, and also we have all this wick. So let's we'll wait and see. Caspa had an amazing day. It's going to have an amazing. I think there are rumors that this one is getting listed in some more exchanges. So we just left POC level. Look at this, all the bullish momentum. We saw it yesterday. I think we had a nice, let me see, was it on the 4 hour? Yeah. See, we saw this bull div actually, and the deviation. See, it's all on our charts. We draw it. Look, outside bar. We have a recorded actually video about this, I think, when we predicted this. So because 2 outside bars, deviation, bullish divergence, what else you want from a like indicator, as an indication. So we are now liquidity wise, we are going for all these liquidity. Just like, be careful though, if when we get this, look, there's also liquidity leaving behind. So after taking all these, we may do a chop. So you know how they like, the market makers would like to do chop on both sides. Let's have a look at some of our meme coins, shall we? Let's see, on the, rather than the meme coins, I would like to also check BNB. This one has also relative strength. It didn't do much of a drawdown. As you see, it's been strong. Look, another outside bar on the body, and this one is a really nice hammer. It's just like tagged this spider line, got back above 50 EMA. Now this is about to break out, so most likely we'll claim here, and then tomorrow we may be around $724, because the reason I'm saying that is because of the BTC dominance coming down, and most likely, look, we are already starting a nice move for the first candle. Oh, we got just a daily buy signal on market cipher. Look at this, very um, good money flow. It's heading up. Momentum VWAP is already in the positive line. So on the daily, these are really good signs. And there is this liquidity. We can all the way go over there. Even like, look, there's another big liquidity on the daily. So we can fill some of this wick as well. So most of the times we come back and fill all these inefficiencies and wicks. So BNB is good. BNB is good right now. It seems like it wants to move up. But again, it all depends on the market sentiment. How is Nasdaq doing? Let's have a look at it. It started with a little bit of a positive right now as we speak. S&P 500 it's trying to move a little bit up. Not too much of a bearish momentum right now. Let's check our some of our coins here. Let's go with Pepe. Good old Pepe. Yeah, Pepe actually was strong for the last retracement. It didn't do much of a damage. Look, all this move, most of the meme coins retraced all this move. So this one is strong. Look at this. It's on the low, doing a sideways accumulation right now. So keep an eye on this. Ooh, found something. This is bullish from here to here on the momentum side, and here to here. What do we see? The price went aggressively down. The momentum wasn't on that favor. So that means a bullish divergence. So on the daily, generally it's very aggressive divergences. So yeah, this looks not bad. I mean, invalidation would be under this weekly low. Look, this is the weekly low. So I would get out of this coin in case we lose it, because it will come and test here. We can re-enter on the 200 EMA in case it loses it. So that's how you do the basically this educational video, right? So this is how you would do it on also other equities. When you leave the weekly, monthly, quarterly low, that's bearish sign. So you quit your position most of the times to get back in another support zone. Let's check. Let's draw a nice liquidity line here. Look, it coincides with all this liquidity here. Chop, 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 chop. Cluster, and this would be a nice zone to start entering back in case we start rolling over, you know. Like I would generally, if I don't want to go all the way to lose this level. If it loses these levels like half of this week, it's already invalidation. So but this the market looks not bad at the moment, healthy. Even this pullback is good because when we start with a pullback on an Asia, I think Asia has started already, is a good sign because it's creating a little bit of a wick right now, flexing, hopefully, most likely. After a flex, let's spring up a little bit. That was Pepe. How is WIF doing? WIF, we we still have a bullish divergence going on. It and also it swept value area low and point of control. This looks also not bad uh, for an entry. You know why? Because when you roll over, the invalidation is easy. Under a value area low, here, we close. Okay, we can go and sweep this. So that would be also another good entry when you go all the way down. Look, there's a wick here. So maybe come take some of this wick's liquidity here. Comes down and then leave this spider line or trend line, also what we call, and then keep moving forward. So this is a whiff. So you can also think about this way, but it's already outside bar here, so momentum is good. Momentum is good on this one as well. Let's check more. Sigma, this one is relentless. I think it got accepted on an exchange, couple exchanges. It's a new giga, lower market cap of a giga. So already up. Look, it gave a buy signal again on the daily. So it wants to move up to the, probably most likely we're gonna go take this value area high. This one is looking good. And again, any SUI plays like a Cetus protocol. Cetus protocol just lost the level, but it's holding. We just want to we would like to get back above to this value area low and then head up to this level. Cetus protocol. This looks like also mantra doing type of yeah, that's a little bit of bearish momentum here. We just need to take all this at least the shoulder. We need to go higher here. So not too excited about that chart, but I'm excited about this one. Falling wedge, deviation with a nice morning star. Look at this one. Nice wick, nice hammer. This one is bearish, bullish candle outside bar, and these three candles combination is very bullish. Also look, VWAP is coming up, money flow deep. This one is curving up. We are almost going to get today a buy signal here, daily buy signal on deep, and this can accelerate very quick. We found a gem here right now, and good news about this is just invalidation. If we lose this mid Bollinger Band on the daily, yeah, it will probably extend the loss all the way to these levels. So that's another good way of looking at this one. So this is deep USDT, looking good. Yeah, let's keep it simple today. We looked at BTC, dominance BTC, ETH. Again, we reiterated that ETH has more upside from here on this cycle. I think the drawdown is limited. So keep an eye on Ethereum. Yes. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please subscribe, follow us on X, and tell your friends. We're gonna be here through this bull cycle. Thank you, everyone. Bye for now.
Bye. Thank you, Mehmet.
Thank you.